Having the right apps on your iPhone means that you will be able to do much more with your iPhone. Now, of course, everything on the iPhone is done through apps. So having these awesome apps on your iPhone means that you will be able to perform way more tasks, do things much faster and much easier on your iPhone. So in today's video, I will show you guys 8 brilliant apps that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device that will allow you to do way more things on your iPhone and of course do things better and faster. Like this app right here. It is called Car Dashboard. It will turn your iPhone into a dashboard for your car. So if you have a car that doesn't have CarPlay, then you can actually use this one right here. How good is this? So you can see right here you will have the menu on the left side, then you will have the map right here. You can get directions anywhere you want. You can connect your music right here to Spotify or Apple Music. Here you will have the music section where you can go ahead and connect. Then right here you will have the phone as well. You can dial any number you want, or you can just search one of your contacts. And then you will have a menu right here where you can go to things like weather, your calendar, or the settings of the app. It is actually really good, and it's a free app. At the time of making this video, it's totally free. You can download it and also use it for free. So once you plug in your device to your car, you just place this somewhere where you can see it, and you will basically have all these amazing features on your car using the Car Dashboard app. Status Monitor is up next. This is an amazing app that allows you to monitor your device. Everything from the heat of the device to your RAM memory, to your storage, to your network, the uptime and all that. So you can see the dashboard basically at the home screen of the app. You will have an overview of all the details you need to know regarding your device. You can even see details like for the RAM memory right here. You can see all kinds of different details, and you will have your network right here. You will have the CPU storage and the CPU usage and the storage as well. You can go ahead and edit them right here. Now right here we'll have the details regarding your device, and then we will also have a toolbox right here. Things like a speedometer, gyroscope, barometer, flashlight. I get a lot of different things here that you can use from the app. But what I really like about this app, and what I think is the best feature of this app, are these widgets right here, so you can monitor your device directly from the home screen. And you can see they also have these refresh buttons, which are actually very useful. So you can see right here we're monitoring the heat of the device, the temperature of the device. That's very useful, especially when you're charging your device. Then you will have the data usage, the storage, and you will have the details regarding the software of your device and also the boot time and the uptime of your device. The next app for the video is Split Crop. Now when cropping a picture, you know, we have that traditional way of cropping a picture, which is actually not yet that useful in a lot of times. But you can see what this app does. It allows us to split the picture, crop something in the middle of the picture. So let's say I want to just, like this bubble right here, I just want to remove that from this screenshot. I can just go ahead and crop it like this. So if I just want to do that, hit the crop button, and you can see it removes that, and then it merges the screenshot back together, and it looks flawless, just like it would be if you just would taken a screenshot without that part. It's actually pretty cool. So even if I just want to remove that hello, you can see right there that hello bubble. As easy as that, you can go ahead and remove any part you want from a screenshot. Once you're done with that, hit that share button and save it anywhere you want. Next up is Whiteout. Now we talked about cropping pictures, but hiding text is much better with this app. So you know that with the markup tools of your iPhone, with the default markup tools, you can do something like this, but you know it's not actually that reliable, because a lot of times by adjusting and editing the picture, you can actually see what's underneath the markup. Well, with this app we can just go ahead and just like hide different things. So you can choose this button right here, and I can just tap on any word I want there, and I can just go ahead and hide that word. You can see how easy that is. Of course, I can customize here the color and anything I want, and just hide anything I want. I can highlight a text if I want to. So when I send a screenshot, just like that. You can just go ahead and highlight any text you want on a screenshot. But again, of course, you can customize anything you want about it. Then right here, you can also underline, add a strike, and then you can also add a blur and things like that, but those are in the Pro version. Now, once you're done with all this, you can just go ahead and save it under your camera roll. Next up is Phone Doctor. Now this one is pretty cool as well. It will show you details regarding your device. So based on all the specifics of your device, it will show you things like the battery, remaining time, the storage right there, the usage, of course the RAM memory, the data right there, and then the specification about the device where this app is installed, which is really useful. Now this app is something that you might want to use when trying to buy and use iPhone, or maybe even sell your iPhone. So you will have the interactions right here where you can go ahead and just like test the device, basically test the speakers, test the touch screen, the flashlight, and all that. Now what's really cool is you can also go here on the trade-in price, and based on all the specifications and everything that the app will scan on your device, it will give you different prices that you can actually use in order to sell your iPhone. Or when you want to trade in, you can just go ahead here and choose what you want to do, maybe online, by cash or credit, and then of course the region where you want to do it. It will find you different places where you can trade in on your device. It will even give you an estimated price about the trade-in. ezyPowerPlug is up next. This is a simple app. It will be useful for anyone that wants to travel on a region maybe far away from your country, and you know that you will need different plugins, different adapters on that country. All you have to do is tap the plus button and search for the country where you're going, and then it will show you the type of the charger or power plug that you need to use in that country. So you will see a picture right here, an example, and it will show you all the details, and of course the continent here, adapter required, frequency, and voltage as well. Now here's a pretty cool one. It is called IsleMark, and it allows you to add anything you want to the dynamic island of your device. Pretty much anything. You can tap there for the left one. You can just go ahead and tap on edit left. You can add anything you want, like an emoji if you want to, or if you just want to have something that you need to remember, like a number or a word or something, you can tap right there actually and go ahead and maybe even add text. So once you have done that, you get out of the app and there you have them. So I have that word set basically typed right there, and even if I'm on another app and I need to remember that, I will have it all the time displaying right there. Maybe a code or a number or anything you need to remember, you can just add it to your dynamic island. And last but not least is URLtoQR. This is an extension for Safari, and it allows to actually share any website using a QR code. It is super simple. You're on a website, you just tap right there. Now for the first time, you will need to go to Manage Extensions and make sure that you have it enabled. Now once that's enabled, all you have to do then is just tap right here. It will just display a QR code right there for any website that you're on. And you can see right here, long press on the QR code for saving and sharing options. So right there you can go ahead and share it, copy it, or just save it to your photos. So these are 10 amazing apps that I believe you must have on your device that will make your device much better and allow you to do much more with your device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you want to download any of the apps, they will be linked right down below in the pinned comment. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.